AI generated ASMR cutting videos are actually going viral on the internet now. YouTube Shorts, YouTube long form content, TikTok, Instagram Reels. New creators are able to make use of these ASMR cutting videos to make a huge amount of money on the internet these days. And if you're not getting on this trend, trust me, you are missing out. And that is why on today's video, I'm actually going to walk you through step by step on how to get started, how to generate your ASMR cutting videos in less than 10 minutes. If you want me to talk on how you can make use of these ASMR cutting videos to generate income for yourself, to get monetized fast on YouTube, just say yes in the comment section and I'm actually going to drop a tutorial on that. And I also want to let you guys know that this is totally for free. You don't have to have any skill, you don't have to have a laptop, you can make use of your mobile phone, whatever it is, Android phone, iPhone, your laptop, whatever it is, to get started. So yeah, without too much talk, let us get started. So the first step is to come over to your browser, Safari, Google, whatever, and type in ChatGPT. Let us search for ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I'm sure we all are familiar with ChatGPT, right? Now, this is my ChatGPT totally for free. Then what you want to do is to come over here to this space and click on GPTs. Okay, totally free. Click on GPTs. Then you want to search for ASMR. Okay, so this is what it's actually going to look like. Then you want to just search for, look at the images and just click on any one. Let me click on this one. Let's see if it will go through. The next thing you want to do is to click on start chat. Now it's going to bring out something that looks like this: banana color, yellow, and so on and so forth. So whatever it is that you want to make use of, whatever prompt it is, okay, let's just go for apple color red, since that is what I'm making use of as an example on today's video. This is what ChatGPT wrote. Now this is a prompt that ChatGPT gave to us: shoot in extreme, macro, and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to say something like, generate me generate me this in TikTok, in TikTok in TikTok ratio. Now you can say in YouTube long form ratio, you can say in Instagram, whatever it is, whatever social media it is that you want to post. So I'm just going to search. Okay, so I'm actually waiting for ChatGPT to generate me an image. As you can see, it is generating an image. So we're just going to wait for a short period of time for the image to generate. Okay, so while this image is generating, I want to let you guys know that whatever it is that you are doing on social media, I talk to my audience like my family. Whatever it is, you just have to keep believing in yourself. You have to know that I need to make money from the internet. Okay, just have that mindset. Don't just come to the internet for fun. Okay, don't consume the internet, let the internet consume you. Okay, as you can see, this is what ChatGPT generated for me. Easy peasy. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it and I'm just going to save to photos. If you are making use of the free version of ChatGPT, you might not be able to generate as much images as you want. Okay, and that is why I want to introduce you to Leonardo AI, a free AI website where you can give it a prompt and it's actually going to make use of that and generate you images for totally free. Okay, just copy this prompt of mine and take it to Leonardo AI after today's tutorial to get your images for free. Okay, so yeah, let us continue. Okay, so on Leonardo AI, I already signed up. Then I'm just going to paste my prompt right here. So this particular prompt of mine, you can just copy it and make use of it. As you can see, a hyper realistic AI generated ASMR video captured in extreme micro detail, and so on and so forth. So this is glass banana. You can change yours to pineapple, apple, whatever it is. Okay, I'm going to click on generate. Now I'm going to wait a little bit for Leonardo AI to generate my image for me for totally free. As you can see, Leonardo AI is able to generate banana, just what I want, glass banana for me. Okay, so I think I like this one more. Save it. I'm just going to download that on my phone. Now that you guys know how to generate your image with prompt, you know how to get a prompt, my prompt, or you can get your own prompt through ChatGPT. Now the main deal, we want to generate a video. Okay, we want to turn the image into a video. We're actually going to make use of a AI website that can actually generate image into videos. Okay, we actually, that is our final bus stop. So we're actually going to head over to the AI website now to turn our images into videos. So let us do that. So the name of this website is called Kling AI. I'm just going to click on it. Done. Sign in with Google. So I'm just going to sign in with my Gmail. Continue. I want to click on videos or video. Then image to video. Okay, ignore the text to video, just focus on the image to video. Okay, then I'm going to click on select files. We are making use of standard. The professional is for those that want to use the paid version. Okay, and you can set it to 5 seconds or 10 seconds if you are using the free version, but if you're using the paid version, you can extend it to how many minutes that you want to extend it to. Now outputs, we are making use of just one output. The rest are VIPs, which is if you pay, and if you want to pay, it's only for $7 per month. Okay, now you will be given points. All right, points. Now we are using 40 US what am I saying? We are using 40 points to generate 10 seconds. I'm just going to click on generate. Also, you guys, you can take inspiration and presets. As you can see, we have the camera rotate around the subject, the camera is stationary, and so on and so forth. This is a prompt, and for presets, you can just put whatever preset it is that you want. Now if we scroll down, you'll be able to see that you can add sound effects with the video for free. And I also want to show you guys something, the text to video. That is, if you just want to take the prompt that I gave you guys and just paste it here directly, right here directly, you can change the ratio right here. This is YouTube style, this is YouTube ratio, this is TikTok ratio, this is Instagram ratio. Okay, and you just click on generate and generate your video. I hope I am very clear with this tutorial. Just let me know if you have any question. If you are using the free version of Kling AI to generate your video, it might actually take a while, like few hours, because so many creators are actually using the free version. But if you're using the paid version, just $7, then you'll be able to generate your video like ASAP. Okay, so yeah, that brings us right into the end of today's video. Once again, if you have any question, drop a comment in my comment section. I'm always in my comment section, and if you want more of these videos, also let me know. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.